Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy USD on Binance using the P2P method. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified to access P2P trading. Then, we'll navigate to the P2P section, select USD, and choose your preferred local currency. It's crucial to understand the process to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. We'll cover selecting reliable sellers and initiating your first order with confidence. This guide will walk you through each step clearly. To begin, open your Binance app or website and find the P2P trading option. Select USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Next, choose your local fiat currency, such as USD or EUR, from the available options. You can then filter the listed sellers by your preferred payment method and the amount of USD you want to buy, for example, for $100 or more. This helps you find suitable offers quickly. Once you've selected a seller, enter the exact amount of USD you wish to purchase or the fiat equivalent. Binance will then provide the seller's payment details. Carefully transfer the funds to the seller using the agreed-upon payment method, ensuring the amount is correct. After completing the transfer, return to Binance and click Transferred, notify seller to confirm your payment. This step is vital for the seller to release your crypto. After you confirm payment, the seller will verify receipt of your funds and then release the USD to your Binance wallet. This process usually takes only a few minutes. You can check your spot wallet to confirm the USD has arrived. If there are any delays or issues, use the chat function to communicate with the seller. If problems persist, you can appeal the order, and Binance support will intervene to help resolve the situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.